So everyone always asks me, where's a great place to invest in the city? You've been an investor for, over 20 years in the Ottawa area. What are you seeing? Where's your places to pick out?
Yeah, I mean they're getting few and far between as far as in the core, but I still like Vanier. I think Vanier has a lot of upside. I know a lot of people can't see it. To me, it reminds me of like Mechanicsville. Many years ago, no one wanted to go in there. They were scared. It was kind of a sketchy part of town. Investors, like the good investors, saw it happening because of its relation to the core and accessible to downtown. The LRT was coming in there, so the smart investors jumped in and they took that risk. And sometimes you got to take a risk. I feel like Vanier is that. I think a lot of people are struggling with that, so they kind of stay away. It is still it's getting hotter. It's tougher to find a deal in there, but there's definitely deals. The good thing about Vanier too is the zoning. There's really good zoning, R4 zoning on most streets in there, so you can build. You're buying basically the lot. If you can buy something and have a renter in there for now until the gentrification really starts to happen, that's a really good pocket to get into. I know for myself, I have a property in there right now, and I'd like to get more. I think it's a really good area. If you look at proximity to downtown, you're right there. It's like the last place in Ottawa
It's 10 minute drive.
Yeah, and it hasn't gone nuts. You know what I mean? But it still has a bit of that, the Vanier feel, which is, that's kind of part of the culture there that kind of makes it unique. And it's good. It's a great spot.